Welcome to another episode of Buy Right, Sell Right. Today, let's start with a harsh reality. According to Gartner, 70% of digital transformation projects fail to deliver the expected results. Why? The top reasons include poor planning, reliance on manual processes, and vendor misalignment. This got me thinking, can AI automation accelerate the app implementation process? In this episode, I'll explore AI powered tools, mostly free ones, to see how they can help. My goal? To save money, save time, and reduce risks in app evaluation and implementation. For this episode, we'll take on a real world challenge, automating RFP creation, helping companies conduct internal assessments and shortlist vendors. How do we traditionally create an RFP? A consultant interviews users, reviews documentation, and manually drafts requirements. This process takes weeks or even months and costs a lot of money. What if AI could automate this process? Can AI extract key details from reports, formats, documents, and flowcharts and generate an RFP automatically? Before jumping into the final output, let's test the AI's capabilities. We'll automate the RFP generation, compare vendor responses, ask AI to conduct an automated vendor assessment. To test this, I've given AI the role of a 30-year experienced consultant with expertise in complex manufacturing processes and cost optimization. Here's the prompt I used. Act as an expert consultant and prepare an RFP for me. I'll attach my documents, reports, and flowcharts, and I need an Excel format RFP for evaluation. Now, let's see AI in action. As you can see, AI is analyzing the information, extracting insights from invoices, flowcharts, and reports, and automatically generating an RFP. With just a few clicks, we have functional and non-functional requirements categorized, AI-generated vendor evaluation criteria. Copy this to Excel sheet, and just like that, your RFP is ready. Now let's see how AI can help us in our vendor selection process. Two ways: we compare the responses we get from the vendors based on the RFP, or we ask AI based on certain parameters. To refine our vendor selection process, we gave AI another prompt. Evaluate the top 5 app solutions based on factors like cost, support, industry references, UI, and cloud capabilities. Rank them and provide a detailed comparison. And here's what AI did: pulled real time vendor data, created a ranking table based on total license costs, implementation costs, industry fit, and UI feedback, provided insights on strengths and weaknesses. Now, instead of spending weeks researching, we get instant data driven insights. So, another way is that we upload our RFP and ask AI to recommend solutions, maybe top three. So, it will review our requirements. Based on that, it will recommend us products. If you look at this, it's actually evaluating requirements, understand what is written in the Excel sheet, extracting information, and recommending based on the information it has over the internet, and recommends you the solution. Wonderful use case of using AI can be that we upload the responses we get from different vendors on the RFP we submitted and ask AI to do the analysis for us. Of course, we give them the criteria to rate, and then it creates a rating chart for you and analyze those vendors for you on a fly. So clearly, we have tested AI on 3 grounds. We tested, can it create, automate RFP for you? Can it compare vendors for you? Can it compare vendor response for you? Can it identify vendors' performance, their feedbacks from different websites and give you analysis? So yes, clearly it can do that. So looking back to how did this performed in our overall expectation? So clearly, considering when you have to save time, money, and risk, AI always have an advantage, and it's clearly a winner for me. So that's it for today's video. Stay tuned. Up next, we will put AI to the test, to the toughest part of the ERP implementation journey. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you.